The wonderful world of essential oils has been explored for centuries, used by the ancient Egyptians as traditional medicines and as scented preparations such as perfumes and incense. Today, the term essential oils is used to describe the essence of the plant's fragrance. The fragrance comes from the aromatic compounds of the plant that have been isolated by distillation or cold-pressed like our lemon oil. This process concentrates the most powerful healing compounds of the plant into a small amount of oil, which can then be used as powerful therapeutic agents to help relieve stress, boost immunity, fight infections, support digestion, improve concentration, increase energy levels, alleviate aches and pains, promote sleep, and so much more. There are so many ways to incorporate essential oils into your daily practice. The most common way to experience the benefits of these plant compounds is to use them as aromatherapy via a diffuser. The most common dilution is 5 drops of oil per half teaspoon of carrier oil. Once diluted, the blended oil can be used over the skin area. Other common uses are DIY cleaning and personal care products. The lemon, lavender, tea tree, peppermint, and frankincense oils can all be used to give your home that special touch of warmth and goodness. Frankincense promotes a sense of tranquility. Peppermint oil provides a burst of energy and clarity. Tea tree is known for purifying and cleansing properties. Lavender is known for its calming and soothing properties. And lemon has an invigorating aroma. Get yours at a very affordable price when compared to its counterparts in the market. Visit www.livegood.com/care today.